how to scroll continuously using Adobe Acrobat Reader. So this is a PDF document, and if I double click on it, it is opening my Adobe Acrobat Reader. Menu, help, about Acrobat Reader. It's version 2023. So currently if I scroll down using the mouse, notice it is showing an entire page, so the scrolling is not continuous. And in this version, if you come here to this page sign, click on it, here we have enable scrolling. And now if you scroll with your mouse, you can see even the space between the two pages. So this is continuous. The disadvantage of this one is if I close it and open it again, then it's not continuous once again. So to make it continuous, come here to the menu, Preferences, Page Display, and here at Page Layout, select, let's say this one, Single Page Continuous, and close it with OK. Now it's behaving in the same manner, it's showing an entire page until you close it and restart it. So restart it once again, and now it is continuous. Even if you zoom out a little bit, the pages are scrolled continuously. If you go here to the menu, View, Full Screen Mode, Ctrl L is the hotkey. If you use full screen mode, although in the previous view it was continuous, now it's not continuous again. It is scrolling one page at a time. Plus I cannot drag it manually. Now to make it continuous in the full screen also, press Ctrl-Shift-H, and it's using this automatic scrolling. And in this way you can scroll it manually and it is continuous. But we should stop the continuously moving part also. That can be done by Escape. So just press Escape once, and now you can manually scroll it and it's not going anywhere. Press Escape to exit and it's back to the previous view. So Ctrl L is the full screen, Ctrl Shift H is the automatic scrolling, which can be stopped by Escape, and then it's continuous once again. Ctrl Shift H is mentioned here, the menu, View, Page Display, and Ctrl-Shift-H automatically scroll. This is available in the non-full screen view also, and Escape is stopping it.